First test which you're gonna use to identify the amino group is solubility test. As amines are basically having basic nature, so they are most appreciably dissolved in mineral acids. And for this procedure, what you do is that you have to take a small amount of given compound in a clean test tube, and you have to add 2 or 3 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid. You have to shake it well, and you have to find out the solubility. If it is soluble, it means the amines are there. Another test is the litmus test. What you do is that you have to confirm its basic nature, and if it turns red, litmus blue, that is the characteristics of any base. So you have to place a drop of given compound on the moist red litmus paper, and you have to note its color. If it changes to blue, it may be amines. So to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amine is Carbyl amine test. And this test is positive for both aliphatic and aromatic primary amines, but secondary and tertiary amines do not give this test. So the reagent which are commonly used is sodium, potassium hydroxide, ethanol, the given organic compound which is to be tested, and the chloroform. So how you will proceed it, that you have to take the 0.2 gram of potassium hydroxide in a clean dry test tube, in which you have to add 2 ml of ethanol. Then you have to warm it so that the pellets can dissolve. Later on, you have to add the few drops of chloroform, which is CHCl3, and then finally you have to add the compound which is to be tested and warm it. Then as a result, RNC, which is carbyl amine or isocyanide, is formed. This is highly poisonous, so you do not inhale its vapors. Secondly, you have to destroy carbyl amine with concentrated HCl after the test has been done, and then you have to throw it into the sink. So this test is given by with the unpleasant odor is confirmed the presence of primary amines, but secondary and tertiary amine fails to do so. So this is one of the authentic tests to identify primary amines.